Hello everyone, this is Scott. In this meditation, we're going to expand into awareness and utilize awareness as a spiritual antenna of sending and receiving. In order to do so, we're just going to simply begin by sitting up upright and comfortably as best we can, and closing the eyes and following down with some deep breaths. Following down as a guide on the out-breath into the sensations of the physical body. Through the breath and the contact with my body, I can tell how stressed I am, how tense I might be. And I can become aware of areas in my body where I might be holding or bracing, or I simply don't need to hold or brace right now. Just staying with the breath and the sensations of the physical body. And on the in-breath in, I begin to expand my awareness. And then on the out-breath, contracting awareness back inward. In-breath, I expand outwards. And the out-breath, I contract inwards. Remembering that there is no hurry and we're breathing at our own pace. I begin to become aware of what is here and present right now. As well as becoming aware of stillness and space. Expanding outward on the in-breath, and contracting inward on the out-breath. I become guided by my own breathing. I invite more aliveness as I expand outward, and I invite more stillness as I contract inward. And now on the in-breath in, when I breathe in, I receive that which I'm able to receive through insight and depth. And on the out-breath, I send what I am able to send in the form of wisdom and insight. My in-breath becomes a method of learning, and my out-breath becomes a method of teaching. Become in contact with timeless space, spaciousness, presence on the in-breath, and on the out-breath, I expand my sensation, my sensing. And whenever I am in doubt or need of rootedness, I return to my physical body. You can return to your body, feeling the sensations of aliveness in the physical body as an anchor of rootedness, groundedness. I gently open my eyes and maintain contact with that inner space, spaciousness. I feel in contact with my inner warmth as a gift, and the gifts I have received, as well as the gifts I have given. When we make contact with awareness in this way, we enrich our lives with the ability to make deep and consideration in our choices for ourselves and each other. Thank you for joining me, and have a great day.